Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to exit WhatsApp group silently, and now let's dive right in. Now to exit WhatsApp group silently, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and after that go to the group to which you want to exit or from which you want to exit. And after going to that group, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three dotted icon, and over here tap on more at the bottom of the list, and over here again you can see there is the exit group option available for us just below the report. Tap on exit group, and here it says guys, only group admins will be notified that you left the group and no members will be notified. And with that being done guys, tap on the exit button over here and you'll be exited out of the WhatsApp group silently. And there guys, this is how to exit WhatsApp group silently. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.